Umunna, this is how you on your light by double tapping on your power button. It is very simple. Can you see that? Don't let yourself be caught out again in the dark just like that. Maybe you are carrying something or something is carrying you and you needed to on your light by double tapping on your power button. Look at it, very simple. Let us go there now. So all you need to do is to go to your settings. You go to your settings. Let me click my settings very fast. Then you see this advanced features. Click on it and then you go on this slide key. Click on slide key. Can you see open app? Then click on open app and click on these settings. What is happening? My hand, don't mind my hand. Yes, so all these functions, you can pick any one from this list, and whatever you pick from here, that is what you are telling the power button to do for you. So because I have selected this torchlight, that is why it is activated. Let's try Facebook light. Click on Facebook and then you close it. By the time I double press my power button, it will open Facebook for me. Does it make sense? No. But it is light that I need because I am the light of the world. So let us go to settings back and change it. You go to settings, you locate advanced features. Very simple to find. You go to slide key and then you go to your open app. Go to these settings and select your touch. And you are good to go. Look at it. It is not magic by the time you double tap. Double tap. If you have used tap swap before, just double tap and that is it. So why not try this if you have a Samsung phone? If you don't have a Samsung phone, please go back to the next seat. If you have a Samsung phone, try it now and get back to me now. Let me get your comment in the comment section. And if it works for you, then that means you are good to go. Okay? See you in my next video. And I will be bringing other tips on how you can use this your phone for you. Keep in touch.